let's redo this Dollar Tree sign with some simple touches. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we start with this Dollar Tree sign. I loved it. I think it's so pretty. I thought, let's just zhuzh it up. So I have these carrot picks from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the bamboo skewer, and I'm going to reinsert it so that it's at the stem, if that makes sense. And I'm going to do that for all three of these. It's just so that we have a nice handle for us to be able to tape together so that we can make it look like a bundle, if that makes sense again. All right, so I used just some painter's tape and I just taped it. And by the way, it took me literally 25 minutes to figure out to tape it instead of trying to do all of the other things like tie it, put wire on. This project should have been easy and I overcomplicated it like nobody's business. All right, so then I tied this ribbon I had gotten from Joann Fabrics. I had tied it in a bow at the top and I thought, okay, this is going to be great, right? I trim off those wooden skewers, put some glue on the back of our little carrots, and then we're going to glue it onto the sign. Easy peasy, right? Right. But no, it's never that easy with me. It's not. I thought it needed a little more. So I have some of the smaller carrots and I just start gluing them randomly on our bigger carrots. Had I had more of the bigger carrots, I would have used those. And I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and noticed they have even bigger carrots. But we do with what we have, right? It's fine. All right. So it looks super cool. I think it looks cool. And then I put a little hot glue at the top and I kind of pinched where all of the stems met just so that it looked like they were gathered. Then I decided, hey, let's see if we can kind of wrap this bow ribbon around and make a bow at the top. So I did that. So I just kind of snuck it behind the bundle and then, wrapped it, tied it in a bow. Side note, this ribbon is awful to tie in a bow, just for your information. It's beautiful. I love it, but it is so stupid to tie. But anyways, I was like, oh, this is kind of cute. But then I was like, the top seems like it's missing something. So I have this mat I had gotten at Michael's, and I'm just going to pull a couple pieces off of it and cut them apart so that they're all free. And I untied the bow, unwrapped it, and then started putting all of the greenery on the top. I gotta be honest, I'm glad I did this because it made the project look so much better. But it took a hot minute to get there. And so then I'm just going to make sure that those are adhered with some glue, and then I just tie it in a bow. Again, frustrated tying this with a bow because it is not easy to tie, but that's okay. But anyways, look at how fun this is. I was going to do so much to this sign, and then finally it took me so long to kind of figure this out that I was like, you know what? I'm kind of not mad. I'm kind of liking the way this looks, and so I left it alone. And you know what? I think it came out really cute. Could you do more to it? Absolutely. But at this point, I had spent so much time and effort. I was like, I'm done. And my husband, thankfully, is like, oh my gosh, I love that. So win-win, right? Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.